says, we're gonna paint this car right here. We got a Mustang going on. Been working on her hard this week. She got a lot of stuff coming up. Can't really say too much about it, but she should be doing some street racing this weekend. Never done that before, so she's dirty girl right now, but like the title said, we're gonna paint this Mustang using nothing but the best, okay? Turbo Can Rustoleum.
Turbo Man. Turbo Man. Turbo Man. Turbo Man. Turbo Man.
Gloss, baby. There's that hood looking fly. But yeah, I've already sanded the car. You can see how much dust is on it. Check it out. Our word, good Lord. Yeah, guys, hit that subscribe button while you're here. Anyways, prep is the biggest step in any paint job. I will say that. So that's why this one's gonna be terrible, because I'm terrible at prep, but I'm pretty bad at body work in general. The car should come out pretty good, so stick around. I'm gonna finish sanding this thing. I got a sand down here. A little bit still, like the little skirt thing. Gonna tape everything off, get it ready for paint. Yay, sanding. Dude, I freaking hate sanding, man. I have already sanded most of this thing, so. Tired, dude. I've been working on this thing constantly. The past like 4 days, I just redid the exhaust. I just got it back running because I put studs in it because it was just reused head bolts before. I don't know if you want to like classify this as like a how-to video or not. Probably not, but dude, save your lungs. Get yourself a mask or a respirator. This is better than this, but like this is kind of a pain in my butt right now. So we're just gonna rock this, say 95. So, and dudes, when this car's done, I am telling you, this thing is about to look freaking good, and I know what it looks like to look good. Okay. We got the whole thing about sanding now, back bumper, front bumper, all little spots I got a little dirty, whatever. Now I'm gonna hit it all with mineral spirits, just get it all cleaned up, get all the dust off it, and then after that I'm gonna start taping up. And then once it's taped up, then we can spray it, but we're gonna probably spray tomorrow because it's super wet, super humid. All right, so I got most everything taped up. See the trash bag for the wheels here? Sweet. Dubs, rolling on 22s, my guy. Once we taped up tomorrow, we're gonna actually spray her, so. Freaking sick, dude, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna freaking sand her, gonna freaking paint this bad boy, paint her white. It's almost gonna look the same color. It's almost gonna look the same. Now I got it all sanded, it actually looks pretty badass. Let's keep it just like this. All right, new day, new dollar. Alright, so anyways, we got this thing all taped up. We got her wiped down. I wiped it down with like a mineral spirit. I got her all wiped down, get all the dust off her. She's all taped up. It's time to start spraying, dudes. Wish me luck. I'm not a professional here, but if I'm gonna say anything about these turbo cans is make sure they are shook up well. And if you haven't painted with them before, practice before you put it on something you care about. And then also, when you're painting with them, you want to stay moving and go light coats, because if you go too slow, these things will run like that, like so fast. Run! It ain't easy to shake these things either. Look at this thing, it's freaking huge. Just check your spray too. I've had 2 cans come with clog tips, so make sure we got a nice even fan. Looks good. Remember, light coat it first. Very light coat. Try to keep your can even distance away from the car, so that while you're painting, you're just distributing it evenly. No, it's right your window right now. Seriously, if I were you, I would paint this thing outside if I could, but I'm gonna get the car taped up, so I forgot. I should have done it last night, but you know. Well, I guess about a can per coat.
Actually, this can right here didn't make a full coat, but we'll see how the next one does. Alright, so I did another coat. I didn't film it, but it's coming out pretty good. I have one run that I can see so far already. I'm sure there's others, but you know, she ain't a show car, baby. She's a race car. Woo! Alright, guys. So, 4 can, or
I didn't have a full 4 cans. I had, because I did the hood earlier. There's the hood looking fly. So almost a can of, I mean, almost a full coat per can. It seems like, but I gotta say, overall, I mean, just turbo can. This is a rattle can paint job. She is looking pretty nice, pretty good. I'm gonna have to clean up these taillights, but you know. Tell you what, nice attribution of doing spray paint job on shorts. Become a silver fox immediately. So I think 4 full cans would probably be enough to paint a car, as long as you're not switching colors. Like if you're going from a black to a white or something, it might be a little bit more difficult. Now I was just going white over white, and man, does it look good right now. I would recommend, however, having a couple of little guys on deck just so you can touch up little spots. And the turbo cans they don't spray well. Like if you tip it at all, like if it's like this, it's like automatically it's not spraying very good. So I would have some of these because these do decent, like a little tipped, you know, a little better, I would say. She might not be perfect, guys, but I tell you what, she's looking pretty good. All right, guys, well, it was a lot of work. If I was gonna do it again, I think I would probably just use regular cans, not the turbo cans. The turbo cans are difficult to use, and I mean, they definitely put out a large amount of paint, so I mean, that is that, so that's cool. But I think overall, like regular old rattle cans would do better. Now, obvious suggestion, just do it the right way. Do a single stage or a 2-stage, like a base and a clear coat out of a gun. I don't have a compressor, and I really just wanted to see if we could do it with the turbo can, so it was fun nonetheless, guys. Anyways, guys, it's been fun. It's been real. It has not been real fun, but thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. We're gonna catch you on the next video.